Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup calendar events in Apple Calendar with iCloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Apple Calendar app on your device. Ensure you are signed in to your iCloud account. Navigate to the Calendar section in the app. Look for the Calendars button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Calendars button to view all your calendars. Verify which calendars you want to back up. Make sure the calendars you wish to back up are checked. Exit the calendar view to return to the main app screen. Now, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Select iCloud from the list of options. Ensure the toggle for calendars is switched on. This will back up your calendar events to iCloud automatically. If you're using a Mac, open the Calendar app from your applications. In the Calendar app, go to Preferences from the Calendar menu. Click on the Accounts tab to see your iCloud settings. Ensure your iCloud account is added and syncing. Once confirmed, close the Preferences window. All calendar events will be synced to iCloud for backup. To ensure everything is backed up, open a web browser. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Click on the calendar icon to view your events. Confirm that all your calendar events are listed here. Your calendar events are now successfully backed up with iCloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.